Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of marketing in 5 minutes or less. Today, I want to tell you the one reason why your marketing campaign is not working. And I promise you, if you make an adjustment today, just a small adjustment, you're going to start to see sales. What is it? We as people are stupid. We need to be told it is okay to do something. We look for permission from our boss, from our spouse, from our children, even for some type of acceptance from our friends before we take a bold step, whether it's fashion or choosing a job, or maybe it's on making that important decision on where to drive a campaign at work. What does this have to do with your marketing campaign? At the end of any marketing and advertising message, whether it is something digital or it's something that you're doing on linear television or radio, meaning you're not using the internet, you need to have a call to action. Now, what is a call to action? That is a message that tells the viewer what you want them to do next. Here's an example, and I'll use social media as an example because it's fairly easy to understand. If you see an ad on your favorite social media platform, it'll have some type of a headline, some type of creative, whether it's a video or a picture, and then at the bottom, there's either a button or a very clear message. Buy now, download your copy, click to make an appointment. Those are the call to action. You are telling the person who's viewing your message to do something. Most of the time, we get really excited about conveying our message and telling people about buying our cars or hiring our attorney or buying a house in this neighborhood, and we tell everybody all the features and benefits, great attorneys, the best doctors, close to schools, but we don't tell the person who's watching that message to call for an appointment or to click to visit your dream home today, or to buy the thing you're trying to sell. Part of the reason is when it comes to sales, we get a little nervous. We think sales is slimy and that, somebody's just trying to, take money out of our pockets. That's not true. What you're doing is you're solving a problem that some people don't even realize they have. I might be in the market for a home close to a middle school where my daughter can go to school, and you can show me how great the neighborhood is and how the appliances are fantastic and this beautiful view I have on my deck. But if you don't ask me to book a showing or to start building my custom home today, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to see your message and I'm going to look at my wife and say, that's pretty neat. So take the bold step and give all of your messages a specific call to action, telling the viewer what you want them to do. It's okay. Encourage us. Tell us it's okay to enjoy your coffee, have dinner at your place, or to buy an automobile from you. You'll be surprised how your business continues to grow. There you go, friends. If you like short messages like this, do me a favor. Click the like button and subscribe and share this information with a friend. It's my gift to you. If there's something you want me to cover, let me know. Leave me a note down below, or you can drop me an email directly, jason@themarketingprofessor.net. Thanks a lot for joining me today. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.